All right. So, my sister sent me some yarn. So, let's open it. Trying to do this to where I'm not cutting the yarn. Because I don't know, like, what kind's in there. So, here is one package. Homespun. Wool Ease. That's a pretty color, though. 2 of homespun, 3 of homespun, 4 of homespun, some cotton, peaches and cream, 4 things of mandola, and the color Sphinx. Not gonna have room on my table for all of this. And then, I have 2 more things of cotton, an orange and a yellow. So let's get the other package here, because there was 2 packages. And my other sister gave me some kind of homespun, so maybe I could put them together and make one blanket. Looks like rug yarn. What? Here's some Gala yarns, mixed fiber. Never used that. Here's another one of those. Here's a very colorful one. Here is a little more homespun. Here is a party time that would go with my journey blanket. Here is a Super Saver purple. That looks like a Super Saver orange. Super Saver yellow. And a Super Saver green. Nice spring colors. And there's the thing. So I have like all this yarn that she just sent me. And the party time. Nope, that one's Fiesta. Oh, party time. Party time Fiesta. And that's what I'm doing my journey blanket with.